Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody has a great day and week. We're going to start off here showing some of Carolyn's flowers, and then a little bit later on in the video here, I'm going to be showing you those Japanese beetle traps. And now I've done a short of it there, but we're going to be showing you here just a little bit more about them. Alrighty, folks. Hope everybody's doing well today. Just going to show you this here real quick. We did a little short on it. This here is Japanese beetle trap, and what you want to do, it's got a little scent thing up here for pheromone, and what it does, it attracts Japanese beetles. And what you want to do, you want to put it away from what you're wanting to keep them from getting. They love grapevines, they love plum trees, green beans. You just want to keep them away from that there. And this here will draw them to it. They fly up and they hit that there and they go down. Now this one here, it's got a resealable bottom on it. And what we'll do, we've been getting between here and over at Mom and Dad's roughly a bag a day. And what we'll do, we'll put them down in a grocery bag, seal it shut, and then I'll stick it in the freezer. Of course, that there kills them, and then we'll feed it to the chickens. And what you do, you can just put you several in the freezer there, and then you'll have them. Warm, hot days, they're good to go get out and give to your chickens. I'll take you down here and show you right now. Alrighty, there they're devouring them up there, folks. You can see them there. Now, I did a little bit of research on them. They're very high in protein and other essential vitamins and minerals, high in zinc, really high in calcium. It said there about it would help out with your egg production. And it's also got tryptophan, I believe is what the name of it is called. Let's see, I wrote it down here. Let's see. Yep, tryptophan. It reduces the stress in your chickens. What do you think about it, Donald? Oh, I ain't gonna get you, buddy. But no, as you can tell, they really love them. And like I said, we just catch them, put them in the freezer, and cold treat for them there on these hot days. Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. This coming Wednesday, we are going to be doing for what's for supper. It's going to be a sandwich. We was challenged by Shirley at just doing our best, and we'll be having that up come Wednesday. Hope y'all have a great day. We'll be seeing you soon.